To set up a conference schedule within Skyward, you'll click on Teacher Access, scroll down to My Conference Scheduler, and then click Any Class, and over to the right you'll see this Mass Add Time Slots. You'll click that. We have 2 dates for conferences, so we'll do this twice. So we'll put in the first date, November 11th, Wednesday night, and you need a low and high date. So add that November 11th again. And then the times are from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we'll change that. The conference length will be 20 minutes. We'll leave the buffer length as 0, but you do need to choose the building. So the building number is 213, Shawnee Mission West, and mass add and close. Now we're going to do this twice since we have 2 dates. So we have mass add time slots over here again. We'll go back. We'll change that date to November the 13th. Again, add that high date, November 13th. And we'll start at 7:30 a.m. and we will end at our last conference at 3 o'clock p.m. Again, 20 minutes for the conference length. Again, the building. And mass add and close. So your time slots have been created for all of your courses. And right now we're viewing all of those. If those don't pop up, you just click on the arrow here and it will expand. So we have all these. Now we have to do something very important, which is on that date of the 13th, we need to figure out when we're going to eat lunch. And you are going to click on this, edit. So I'm going to eat lunch at 11:10. So I'm going to choose 2 of these. I'm going to edit this. And I'm sorry, that's wrong. I'm going to actually just click on delete. So delete that. Remove time slot. And then I'll click on the next one here at 11:30 and I'll delete that and I have my 40-minute lunch there. Now, parents are able to request via Skyward your conference schedules for any of these time periods. If you get an email from a student's parent or a guardian and they have requested a specific time, you can actually go into this and add guardian. So if somebody wants to see you at 6:40 p.m. on the 11th, you would click on add guardian and you would choose your student. I don't have any students here, so you'd choose your student and you'd click select. You'll notice that an email will be sent to those guardians, so they will be added that way. And so if you go back to Educator Access Plus, click on Conference Scheduler, click your calendar, you will have a list on those days of parents who have signed up for conferences. You will have to reach out to them and let them know how to access your WebEx. So you can find the parents that have scheduled a time and email them directly your WebEx room number. So that is how you add conference schedules.